So we've wrapped this roof with the WrapRoof membrane, and you'll be able to see that this product will hold up to over 150 mile an hour wind and rain. This is the strongest membrane that we've ever created.
Damn. 140, 45. All right, 150 with rain.
There we go.
Woo!
150, boys.
150.
150. Well, there you have it. The most effective temporary roofing solution in the world just got better. So we've hit this roof with 150 mile per hour winds and rain from every angle. I'm gonna cut the membrane back so that inspectors can inspect, and then we're gonna use the same membrane, weld it together. We'll do the test again with our inspection process, and again apply the 150 mile per hour winds to this membrane. You can see where we went back and we seamed a new piece in because we needed to inspect it with the engineers. "150 miles per hour, and this roof is completely protected, fully functional, and leak-free."